My people, so the dedication of the Nnewi Catholic Diocese Cathedral is currently ongoing. But amid all of this celebration, one moment has left many people so emotional. So this particular man has openly come out to weep, overcome by feelings tied to the late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah.
Ifeanyi Ubah ndo akasham Jalu akashamu Ifeanyi Ubah ndo mo ka gbo be zuka ndo kwa ino ya mo ka gbo be Ifeanyi Ubah zuka ndo kwa. Did you hear that? Ifeanyi Ubah ndo akashamu. My last day as a Christian. My last day as Christian is today. Ifeanyi Ubah ndo kana Nnewi na do do gwara kazo do ku na ekwu Ifeanyi Ifeanyi Ubah ndo akacham. You just go with fast. Don't even get to Ifeanyi Ubah ndo akasham. Last day as a Christian.
According to what he's saying in the video, the sadness comes from the fact that during the dedication of the cathedral today, Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, widely believed to be the project's initiator and one of its biggest contributors, was not publicly recognized. Ifeanyi Ubah gave his all in all to this particular project. This has deeply touched many who knew how much he gave to the project before his death. The painful part is that he never lived to witness the completion and dedication of a project he invested so much in. One commenter even shared a very powerful personal experience, saying that during their undergraduate days at one of Unizic's campuses in Nnewi, they frequently visited the cathedral site, maybe to read. According to him, workers were always on site and they never stopped talking about Ifeanyi Ubah's massive contribution to the project. The commenter added that while they don't fully understand why the Catholic Church would act this way if the reports are really true, but then it feels unfair, stressing that Senator Ifeanyi Ubah deserves recognition as a major contributor even in death. They concluded by saying that whether men recognize him or not, God surely will. Despite the controversy, the dedication ceremony remains historic. Sights and sounds from the dedication of Our Lady of Assumption Cathedral, Nnewi, Anambra State, show an extraordinary structure, currently described as the most elaborate cathedral in Africa. Could this be true? The event has drawn prominent personalities including former Anambra State Governor Peter Obi, as well as Igbo billionaire Chief Cletus Ibeto and his wife, among many other dignitaries. This moment reminds us that legacies go beyond ceremonies and applause. Whether he was recognized today or not, Senator Ifeanyi Ubah's contribution is written into the foundation of that cathedral and into the memories of those who witnessed the journey. So what do you all think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.